What's good, YouTube? Your boy Bossco back again with another sneaker video / comparison. Hopefully you're having a great day wherever you are in the universe. As you can see, we're talking about some Jordans. We're going to talk about some Jordan 1 lows, current and past. Let me know what you guys think about both of these shoes in the comment section. But of course, we're going to get into this one first, which is pretty dope, man. We're going to get right into it, man. Smash the like button if you do enjoy it. And if you are new, make sure you subscribe with notification bell on to be updated every single time your boy Bossco drops. Air Jordan 1 low. These ones right here, I think out of the Jordan 1 lows that just recently released, you got the red ones, you got the yellow ones, and you got these bad boys right here. I think these are by far the best ones that have released. I have seen colorways of the court purples or the purple ones, but these pine greens right here are fire, bruh. And I think the quality on the pine greens is like the best. I don't think the name of them is the pine green, but I call it pine green because it's the same colorway. These ones are dope, bro. The quality on the suede leather as well. The back panel, the greenness. I'm just feeling these out of all the ones that have released. Let me know what you guys think though. There are like 3 that have been released, 3 or 4 colorways, and there are more to come. What do you guys think about this pine green? I mean, 10 out of 10 if you guys ask me. Let me know what you guys think. The suede I said on the front part, the heel cup over by the lacing also is dope. The black Nike swoosh, I think this is by far the best one that has released out of the recent colorways. The green outsole, just fire, bro. 10 out of 10 if you ask me. Give me your feedback. If you guys own a pair, let me know. For the $90 price point, that's pretty dope too. As the summertime is now upon us, I'm pretty sure a lot more lows will be out there, especially when they release the pine greens, as well as they start switching it up. Like they put the green on the toe box, like I think the images I've seen of the court purples or the purple lows that are coming out, I think they do have the purple right here, which is gonna be super fire. They should have did that with this one, but I still like it. 10 out of 10 if you ask me, like I said before. We're gonna get up close and personal visuals, but we're gonna also talk about another Jordan one, bro. Luckily, recently, you know, sometimes I go by the Marshalls, TJ Maxx, Ross's, and Goodwills just to see what's going on, bro. And I came across a very, very dope shoe. Was surprised to see it there, and I want to know your feedback on it. Also, then we're gonna compare them and let me know what you guys think about the differences and which one you guys like more. You feel me? Let me get the other shoe out. Okay, like I said, going to these thrifts, these Marshalls, Ross, Goodwills, bruh, you'd be surprised at what you come across. And if you don't see in front of you, these are a pair of Jordan 1 lows from 2010. I couldn't remember if it was 03 or 2010 because I had these dunks in my brain, and these were from 03. These are from 2010. Very dope Jordan lows, bro. This it's black with this Carolina blue swoosh. You got the yellow on the insole. If there's a certain name for this, let me know for those of you guys who are more familiar with these. Both of them, great shape, authentic shoes from 2010. The quality on it is dope. The lacing is crazy. The lacing is totally different. On the shoes. The leather is a little different on the shoes as well. I'm not mad at how they came out with these, bro. I didn't even know about these before when they came out. I'm not even gonna lie. But these are dope, bro. These Jordan lows are pretty dope, and I want to know which one of you guys feeling more. I mean, I'm pretty sure a lot of people might like the, court or the pine greens a little bit more. But I don't know. That's why we're doing this video, because I want to know your thoughts and opinion. You can see how it's more rounded off. We're going to get this up close and personal also, so you guys can just see the differences in the shoes. The toe box is different. The lacing is different. Like I said, the lacing is so much different. It's crazy how thick, pause, the laces are on these Jordan 1s from 2010. I like that a lot. And the leather, like I said, is really good. All black shoe, white midsole. These are size 12. Both of them are actually a size 12, not personal pairs. These ones right here will both be going to lucky people who are interested. But these right here, both of them are pretty dope in their own right. I'm loving the quality on the 2010. I love the quality on the 2019. Let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below. Which one do you guys like more? The pine greens, or I don't even know the name of these, what we would call these. But these black Jordan 1s from 2010. Both of them are fire. Top pass, fire, trash. Up close and personal visuals coming next. And I'll see you guys in the next video. I thank you very much for taking your time to watch your boy Bossco. More to come. The summertime's here. We grinding, man. I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.